started painting these like happy little abstract beach people, and the series just took off. Decided to expand not just the art, really high quality goods, swimwear, nice towels, and just bring that whole feel and vibe of the beach people paintings to life. There's lots of interaction with the Samsung screens, and you can kind of see it because they'll stop and they'll like pay attention to them and check them out. They're super easy to use, very user-friendly. We're able to switch out content when we need to for different events, and it also just kind of improves the space overall, and like I said, it tells our whole story. I feel like it kind of brought just me as an artist to the next level, especially having a place not only that I could like display all of my work, but also have like the interaction with so many amazing customers and clients, and even people who just pop in. And I try to like present everything as like peaceful and happy, and like we want our shoppers to feel that experience here.